Welcome back, YouTube. We are at the BMW dealer, so I'm gonna go get the part I need and I'll see you guys back at the shop. And this is the part that I broke here. This plastic part right there. Don't do the mistake I did. Just be careful trying to take the hose out. You guys should be fine. This part was not cheap from BMW. I think I paid about like $176. So here we are. We got the new piece, the new gasket. Let's put in the pump first. Pump in there. This is gonna go on the outer side. So, and then this part is gonna go in that little indentation over there. Come over here. I'm gonna show you real quick. There's a little circle over there where this part has to sit on. So I ended up taking the pump out so I can slide up the hose. Actually, you know what? Connect the connector since you're here. So you can't miss the big one, small one with the small one. All right. It's in place now. Now I'm gonna fish this on the other side on the outer wall. Just be careful not to break it. Don't be me. All right, so the pump is in place. Now we're gonna put the ring in there. All right, finally after like 45 minutes trying to put this ring in there, it's really tricky, man. People make it seem like it's easy. It's not. So it's nice and secure there. What I'm gonna do is connect the connector. Actually, you know what? I gotta put the hose back in there. So, all right, I'm gonna put this. I'm gonna put the clamp in there. All right, so I got the hose in there. I'm gonna do the connector now. And then you just push it. Back in there. Gonna line it up and put all 3 screws in there. All right, now we got the stuff back in there, the screws, the padding. All we're gonna do is we're gonna put the seat in the back. All right, now we're gonna put the battery in the back and connect it. All right, here we go. Moment of truth again. Go. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna scan the car again and see if we got any codes. All right, so I'm reading the codes. Just have a few faults. The radio's not working, so that explains that. All right, everything looks good. So we're gonna go pump gas. See how it goes. All right, so no check engine lights. All right, guys, that wraps it up for this video. Like I said, it looks like everything's working fine. I'm gonna keep using her and see if I have any other issues on the road. There shouldn't be any issues. Like I said, no car leaves out of this garage unfixed. Every single car that I bring in here must get fixed. And you know what? This is for that Brandon guy that threw a little comment in there about the fog lights. Well, here you are, fog lights. How they look in the night? There you go. Bam. You want to see from far? There you go. Like I said, I gotta fix this one. I've been super busy with a lot of projects. This is not the only thing that I do. Like I said, I've been busy. And here's another shot of the fog lights. These are the LED Morimoto fog lights. And with that being said, if you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe, and all those new subscribers, thank you for your support. I really appreciate you guys. I will keep bringing more videos to you guys on how to work on cars, and try to make other people's life a little bit much easier. And again, these fog lights, guys, don't think twice, just get them. Honestly, just get them. Don't think twice. Get them. See you guys on the next video.